In this video, we will be seeing a C++ program to find the factorial of given number. So factorial is nothing but factorial is multiplication of all the numbers from starting from 1 to till the given number. So suppose the user is entering 5. Then the factorial of 5 factorial denoted by exclamation mark, 5 factorial will be 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. So factorial of 5 will be this, which will be 1 into 2, 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24 into 5. That is 120. So factorial of 5 will be 120. Similarly, for other given numbers also, starting from 1 till that given number, multiplication is done and we get the factorial of it. So let's start the C++ program with hash include IOStream class, and then I will be adding using namespace std, the standard namespace I am using, and then I will be starting the main function, which is starting point of execution. Now within the main, we will be writing the code where in the first statements, first I will declare integer type of variables n and a variable in which we will be using or storing the factorial. So let's take factorial as the variable name. And the value for factorial I'm giving here 1. Now let's give a message to user to enter n value. So enter positive integer. So enter a positive because we don't want to take out factorial of negative number because it does not exist. So enter a positive integer. If you want, you can check it also after the user enters if by using a if condition. You can check if integer if the given number is less than 0 or greater than 0. But for now, I'm not keeping any condition here. Directly, I will be using a for loop. So after giving a message to user to give a integer or type a integer, I will be using cin and assigning the integer entered by user to n. Now n contains the value which is entered by user. Now I will be using the for loop where I will be taking a integer I and the initial value of I will be taking as 1 and I will take till I is less than or equal to n. I will be performing the multiplication. So I is less than equal to n, I will be taking as the condition, and then for every cycle I will be incrementing the I value by 1. Now what we are going to do is factorial is the variable which is having the value 1 already. So I will be multiplying with that 1 I value. So I here is 1, initial value of I is 1. So factorial multiplication symbol equal to I is same as, it will be working same as factorial is equal to factorial, factorial multiplication I. So this will be doing the same this. So factorial multiplied by I will be assigned to factorial. So factorial will be for the first time 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. And then the same thing is repeated by incrementing I value. So I will be incremented by 1, so it becomes 2. Again, it will be checked by the given user value every time, and it will be 2 into 1. Then it will be 2 multiplied by 1. Second time it will become 2. So every time it will be multiplying with the I value and assigned to factorial. Then after coming out of loop, when the condition does not satisfy, we will be printing the factorial value. So when the I value is no more less than n, we get the factorial of n, and then factorial is we can print like this. So factorial will be present or held in factorial variable, which we will be printing this way. So now let's first compile the program for checking any errors. So there are no errors or warnings. And when I run the program, I will be given a message to enter a positive. So if I give 5, I will be getting 120 as factorial. So if I execute again, and if I give 20, I will be getting a negative value. It's a large value, that's why it is giving like this. And if I suppose give because we have taken factorial as int, the range is less. So I'm giving 9. So it is giving this value. So same way, if I execute, compile and run, if I give 3, I get 6. So this way we get 3 into 2 into 1 as factorial of 3. So factorial is nothing but it is multiplication of numbers from 1 till the given value for which you are calculating the factorial. Till that value, we will be doing multiplication starting from 1. So this was a very simple program of C++ where we have calculated the factorial of given number. So for more updates on C++ programs, please do subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching the video.